Welcome to a new video tutorial of Penpot, the open source design and prototype tool for the whole team. Today video we are going to review the grid and layout functionality. To start we need to create an artboard, for example this size, and here in the right sidebar you have the grid options. You only have to enable it clicking the plus button. By default, you are going to get a square 16 pixel size one. So if you want to use it, you could do it, but you could modify it. Here in this option, you have the three types of grid you could use, like square, columns, row, and the size. You could enable or disable it or remove it. Here you have the advanced options, which are the such as color. For example, I'm going to change in red and 100% in order to get more contrast, easy to see. And I'm going to increase the size to maybe 15. Now I have this grid, which is very useful, but I want to set it as default. The only thing I have to do is set as default, click the set as default button, and now if I'm going to create a new artboard, I can go and add a new grid and layout and use as default. As you see, I will use the last grid saved presets. More stuff. You could stack more than one grid and layout. So, for example, let me decrease this size because it's really huge, and this contrast. For example, if I click the plus button again, as you see, I have two grids now working. I'm going to create a column one, 8 columns. I'm going to the advanced options. As you see, you have columns, the type of stretch, width, gutter, margin. For example, I'm going to increase the gutter to 16. Okay, and I'm going to change the color for blue, for example, right? So now these both grids are working. So if you create a shape, as you could see, you are going to get the snap to the columns and the squares grid, which is very handy. Okay, and you could enable or disable it one by one or all together. One by one, you are going to click this hide button. So now it's only working the column one. Okay, and if you have all the grids enabled, you could go to the workspace options and show hide grids. Okay, so now it's free, it's only working the snap functionality with the artboard. Or you could have visible the grids but disable the snap, which is useful if you don't want to get a snap every time, but you need to use the grid layout. So that's all.